So these are the side panels of my Honda CB750 custom exclusive. There's only 1,200 of these made throughout the world, and obviously there's a lot less of them left because it was well, mine's a 1979, but I think they were making them up to sort of 81, 82. So yeah, really not many of these left. But the side panels you can buy without the logo or the emblem on them. They were about sort of £60 plus postage, but then the lugs, the spigots, or what attaches them to the bikes are all in the wrong place. So it's a bit of a problem really. So yeah, the other one I've got is in really bad state, which is over here. It fell off the bike when I was driving along, probably got run over and smashed, but there we go, it was a while ago now. So I've ordered a new one of these. I'll put the link in the description. Yes, just totally smashed. That should arrive shortly. But trying to put this back together again, well, you know, I've had a go in the past with a bit of aldite, which is just no good really. Broken spigots replaced with a bit of wood, really bodged. No wonder it fell off. So the idea is to clean it up and get some fiberglass on it, fiberglass mat, and make it a lot stronger, and then slowly fill in the gaps and then go for a complete respray and repaint. Okay, so the spigots that are broken, I took a mould, a rudimentary mould, using blue tack. There we go. And then I used some metal filler and made some rudimentary shapes. So we've got that one there and that one there. You can see where the blue tack is stretched because the mould wasn't any good, but it's a rough shape. So I'm going to buy some more rubber grommets, put them on the bike, and then make these fit using a bit of filler and grinding, cutting them down to the right shape. And hopefully then, once they fit properly, I'll just cable tie them on so they'll never blow off again. So just give them a quick wash, bit of fairy liquid and some scrubbing, and they've come out quite, well, a bit better. So I can get the fiberglass mat hopefully to stick a lot better. So I'll go and get a fiberglass kit. I'll take off these wooden spigots as well. So here I'm struggling a little bit because I don't have a tripod at the moment because I broke it. But you get the idea. Cutting the spigots. A little grinding spoon off my Dremel that I put on my drill. So here underneath the wooden spigot you can see a previous repair hole where there was a small hole for a screw and a washer. Buff that up. Okay, here I'm getting ready to put on the fiberglass to hold it together. So this is the first attempt. It didn't stick too well. The fiberglass wasn't holding too much, so I scraped it all off and put a little drop of super glue and pushed it all together into the right place. Then I mixed up some more fiberglass, and when it was holding together by the super glue, I'll put the fiberglass in place. Now there's a broken bit there that I've rebuilt with a bit of fiberglass, all rough and not proud of the edge. So it's lower down. I'll use some fine filler to go over that. There's all the cracks. P40 fiberglass repair I used. So that's now gone hard. It went quite warm as well when I was doing it. Built it up a little bit more, and then I got some fine filler and then just smeared it all over the cracks. Wait for that to cure. Now that's the good one, and there's the other one that I built up, but I built it up a little bit more than I should have, so now I'm going to need to trim it down to make it fit. There we go, a little cutting stone off the Dremel, my drill, and because I haven't got a tripod obviously I can't cut and film, so there we go, I chopped it down. That's a bit smoother finish. Bit of sanding, got rid of the lumps of filler, still some paint left on it and some stickers. Get rid of those in a bit, but all the cracks seem to be quite nicely filled with filler. Bit more sanding, bit more filler. That's a lot stronger now. Bit more sanding. Okay, in my next video I'm going to have to fit the spigots, give it some primer, and then maybe spray it up and get the colours right and the pinstriping, and then maybe fit it to the bike. So stay tuned.